Yes, it's true. The Great State Fair of Texas begins 4 weeks from today, and two of our State Fair favorites are back for another year. Christy Rapillo and Jonna McKee, sisters from the famous funnel cake family, right?
Yes, we are. We are from. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Yes, hi,
Fernie,
Mom.
right?
She's watching. She's already told me that some little boy was 3 years old today.
Oh, so sweet, so sweet. So you've got two creations.
We do.
Oh.
We have you both covered. Savory and sweet.
sweet.
Yes, we got
my
you
sweet
covered.
moments.
Yeah,
You do have your sweet
there's
moments.
Not many.
Thank you for
You're
lying.
being very sweet. Okay, so what are we making this morning?
Well, I'll start with the black-eyed pea, the Hoppin cake. This is black-eyed peas with jalapeno cheddar sausage, rice, breadcrumbs, panko, deep fried with a black-eyed pea relish and a jackpot sauce, which is kind of a everything but the kitchen sink, kind of spicy.
A little bit spicy, yeah. Okay, let's see how we do it.
Okay, this is what we do. I've already made these. And so you take this, it's very simple. You put it in your little egg beaters, pasteurized egg product, and you put it in the panko to give it that extra crunch on the outside,
yeah, I like that.
which is really, really, really important for fair food. And you just pop it in that little fryer, and it's done.
Any idea, based upon your vast I mean, you girls grew up at the State Fair practically, right?
We did.
We
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
It's our 50th year this year, so we're super excited.
Which is amazing because you're both 29 years old.
That is true.
How did that happen?
You're getting sweeter.
Yeah. So how many of these will you serve up, do you think?
Well, we did win for Best Taste Savory.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
You never know.
You never
huh?
know,
Oh
so.
my! You just have to prepare for it to
A
be
lot.
a winner.
Right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, while that's frying up, let's talk about the other one, which is a finalist, the sweet one.
Yes, this is the Orange Glad We Fried It.
Which
And-
is a great name.
Yeah,
Very cute.
well, and it came from my grandson Locke, who's 6 years old, and so we're trying to think what we're going to name it, and we're going through this knock knock, who's there, banana, banana who, and he's like, aren't you glad you fried it, Nana? So,
that's it.
Yeah.
so it is a orange custard cake that's got layers of custard in it, whipped cream, an orange whipped cream also, and it's all smashed together, delicately rolled in a turnover, flash fried with some powdered sugar. And we've got a chocolate sauce that's got cherry in it and some maraschino cherries in it. And then we
Wow.
also have a white sauce that's an orange whipped cream sauce.
Ooh, I like the options.
Now, I'm going to ask for like the deep investigative report here. Can you crack them both open so we can see what's inside when we open them?
Inside one of these?
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely. You'll get to see that the fluffiness of the orange custard cake in there, and it is just
got-
delicate, light, refreshing.
So we
It's
can.
very light and
Right.
refreshing.
Yeah,
Right.
nice.
And the other one, pretty much on the inside, is what it looks like on the outside, kind of, right?
Kind
Yeah.
of, and when you have the Hoppin cake, after you take the bite of it, you're going to get that smokiness of the sausage in there, and the flavor. The flavors are just going to keep coming as you eat
Right.
it.
So it's lunch and it's dessert.
Yes, exactly.
All in
At
one
one
spot.
booth.
All in one spot
Yeah,
at
exactly
the dock, and then you can get your funnel cake also.
Perfect. Yeah, because I'm not leaving the fair without the funnel cake.
Without the Fernie's funnel cake.
Gotta have it. Yes, no doubt. State Fair of Texas begins 4 weeks from today, September 28th. Thank
All
you
right.
both so
Got some
much.
music coming up.